Here's Forest River's best-selling park model. How you doing today, Crystal?
Pretty good. How are you?
You selling any trailers?
Yes.
All right.
Always.
This is a Quailridge 39 FLML, and she's a beauty. Hello again.
Oh, come here.
What's that?
Same. It looks the same. Now, what are the measurements of this one?
It's about 36 feet long.
Okay. Thank you. I love it. So, are you building these by hand?
No, the guy that builds them is outside. He's the rep. They build them in. We're a dealership.
Gotcha.
Like you go buy a car from a car dealer. Yeah, the factory's in Elkhart, Indiana.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So several features common to these. All the furnishings stay in them. All the sleepers are sleeper sofas. All these are rocker recliners. Fireplace can actually put out heat. I think I'll turn the movie on again. MSRP is $60,000 on this one. Adjustable shelving.
We simmer these beans with tasty things called spices and serve them with other secret ingredients like rice and pork. Try beans in your
Nice big bathroom again. Corner shower, vanity. Great big linen closet. 56,000 BTU furnace. This is the split loft. So up here, you got a 59.5-inch rear loft. Entertainment center for the kids.
Yeah, I agree.
Nice big loft in the front for sleeping or storage.
The layout is brighter.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing today?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
There's a man with the right idea. He's got the GoPro. He can do his own tours.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be famous. Along with me. Got an outside light by each door, right where the round circle is. That's our phone number. Kelly Hicks is me.